Welcome. This is Food for Thought with Felins Foodie. It's been a while. Today we're going to talk about ways that we can minimize secondary packaging inventory and waste in the food industry. Let's talk meal kit services. According to PISPlay, a global research platform, 48% of Americans have tried a meal kit service at least once in the past year. 83% of Americans believe that meal kit services help to cut down on restaurant visits and food waste. Many consumers believe that grocery shopping creates a lot of food waste at home, whether that means they have too many leftovers that aren't consumed or they have to buy too much product to make one specific recipe. Meal kit services are an excellent alternative to these problems, and this is because each tray has the specific amount of ingredients required to make one specific meal, helping to reduce the meal waste. Companies such as HelloFresh are also starting to offer meal kits at grocery stores, helping to create an ease of meal planning for consumers. Meal kits help consumers eat well-rounded meals, which is great for the busy on-the-go consumer. Some well-known companies that provide meal kit services include HelloFresh, Blue Apron, Factor, Home Chef, and Sunbasket. Some meal kit subscriptions even cater to special dietary needs, such as keto, vegetarian, gluten-free, and dairy-free options. Now let's talk about packaging. When it comes to the primary packaging, these companies have really done a nice job of keeping down their number of SKUs to maybe 1 or 2 tray sizes. This helps to reduce waste, and it's easy from an inventory tracking perspective. When it comes to the secondary packaging, however, this includes the labeling and the branding of the product. Unfortunately, we're seeing that with all of the number of SKUs that these companies have to offer, this means they have to stock multiple, if not thousands of SKUs to label their product. Some current methods that these meal kit delivery companies or subscription companies use include, but are not limited to, adhesive labels that are printed out daily with the name of the dish, the ingredients, the nutrition facts panel, and the best by date. Some other companies like to use that beautiful paperboard sleeve. This sleeve is applied by hand as well, and typically what they're doing is they have that pre-printed sleeve and then they're taking a sticker or like a Dyson label that they actually put onto the tray that says what the name of the dish is, the NFP, and all of that information. Not only is this work a labor headache, but it also is hard because you're stocking multiple different materials and you're changing up those SKUs so often that you tend to have a lot of inventory waste. Wow, that sounds like a real pickle. What if we could actually label these meal kits with stunning, vivid branding graphics, variable data that is printed live onto the label, and we could do this all automatically, helping to increase throughput and reduce packaging waste. With ultrasonic banding, we can automatically sleeve and provide an adhesive-free label to your food trays, helping to minimize that packaging waste. And on top of that, we can provide a pre-printed band with all of the company's stunning graphics and then print live onto the band with information such as ingredients list, the NFP, best by date, and the name of the dish. What this means is that you're only stocking maybe 1 or 2 bands of inventory, and you don't have to worry about the changes and fluctuations in recipe dishes. Let's see what this looks like. Individual filled meal kit trays with a top seal are indexed forward into the ultrasonic labeling system. As you can see here, each tray receives a pre-printed band with stunning graphics. What you don't see is that all the variable information is printed live onto the band. This information is appearing on the sides and the bottom of the band. This information can include anything from the name of the dish to the ingredients list, NFP, and best by information. All of this variable data information is printed with a thermal transfer printer. This one in particular is a Novex printer, which provides a continuous print. This allows us to print more information without slowing down the banding machine. While this type of solution is ideal for meal kit applications, it is not limited to only meal kits. There are actually a vast amount of food industry applications in which this could be the ideal solution. We can help you improve your sustainability and your operational efficiency with one solution. Follow me, Felins Foodie, to learn more about ways you can reduce labor and packaging waste and improve your overall bottom line with adhesive-free labeling, automatic sleeving, and unitizing solutions. Subscribe below.